it's pretty long, as you can see in the picture. Right. It's like about right there on her, so I put it right there. Probably gonna be about right there on me. But I got 2 of them. I got 2 of them, both the same color. And then I also got this crochet wig cap because I did crochet braids on myself before, and I personally don't like crochet hair because I'm just lazy. I don't take care of it like I'm supposed to, but hopefully using this I'm able to take it off at night and then put it up and then set it to the side, because I've noticed that when I wear crochet hair it never lasts me more than a week, so I'm going to put it on a cap. But yeah, so this was $13.99 a pack and I got 2 of them, and then the wig cap was $3.49, so altogether it was like 34 something, so not too bad. Okay, so right here I'm just testing it out with the blow dryer just to see if it, you know, if it's gonna melt, because sometimes with the synthetic hair, if you put heat on it, it'll just melt the hair. So right here I'm just trying to see if it passed the test, and it actually did. It just made it a little bit more straighter, so it took away some of the kinkiness of the texture. So this is what I have left. I just crocheted all the way up to the top. I have about 1 pack left. After I get done crocheting that, I'm just going to take an old half wig that I have, cut off the comb, and then sew it onto that black strap right there. And then I'm just going to wear it as a half wig, and then I'm just going to leave the rest of my hair out in the front.
That's good.
Yeah, so your girl is tired. I think this took me like 4 hours, but I don't know why. It felt like it took me way longer than that. But yeah, so if you want to do this wig and it's your first time, you know, make sure that you give yourself a couple hours, because you got to do each individual piece, and it's kind of annoying, but I mean the results look really nice, so. Okay, y'all, when I put this wig on, I was shook, okay, because it matched my hair like so well. Okay, Maybe not before I blow dried it, but just in general, like the kinkiness, like it matched it. So now I'm just going to go in and cut some layers just to make it look a little bit more real. And then after that, I'm just going to lay my edges, blow dry the front just to stretch it a little bit, and then that's it. Oh, and another thing, I definitely forgot to clean my mirror before I recorded this, so I'm sorry if you see the smudges and the water sparks on it. I mean spots. I'm looking at myself in the mirror like, damn girl, ooh, this looks so good. Look like a fresh blowout. Like it looks just like my hair. I am very, very happy with the results. Like this hair is so bomb and it just resembles my natural hair so well, and I'm so happy that I did it. And I could just throw this mug on and go. Like, if you want to fool people, like, wear this wig. I promise you everybody's gonna be like, oh my god, your hair is so big, and I'm gonna be like, girl, yes, this is all mine. No, I'm just kidding, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know down below and I will definitely answer them. Don't forget to press like and subscribe.